So I forgot to make videos of me building the go-kart, but I did decide to make pictures and whatnot. You guys already know about the engines that I tore apart and rebuilt, and yeah, that was a fun process. But I got them all put back together and running really freaking good. And I told you guys that there was going to be a go-kart coming soon, and I just showed that lawnmower frame that I was going to use. And I decided to scrap that idea and got on Facebook and got on putting up a couple posts around, and I ended up finding a frame for 75 bucks. Now, mind you, this frame, very rusty. I mean, it's been sitting outside for a long time. It was a 1993 Lime Limo, and yeah, it needed some work. So what I ended up doing was getting a grind wheel and sanding all of the rust and all of the paint that would come off. I got all that off and made it look bare, basically, is what I wanted. And then I decided which paint that I was going to use, and I decided on Oasis Blue. And yeah, I think it turned out really, really good, honestly. And yeah, it's not the most professional job, but personally I like it. Everybody else that's seen it so far really enjoys the color. And yeah, putting it back together, that was fun. I tell you, I've learned this go-kart literally down to the last bolt, and so anything that goes wrong, I'm able to fix it. But as you can see here in the photos, I got a pedal stop there. I got that gone now, and the pillow there for the seat, I got rid of that too. Same thing with the rotor there you see sitting in the passenger side. Yeah, because eventually I want people to ride with me, and yeah, I named it the Blue Bullet. There you see the original seats on there. I got duct tape over that hole now with some foam filled in it. The cart, it's fast. Goes about 50 mile an hour, fully wide open. But I got a pull start on it too now. But yeah, this is my first go-kart. Pretty happy with it. I got videos of my 1943 Briggs & Stratton coming up too. I already videoed me starting it and whatnot. So keep an eye out for that, and make sure you guys like and subscribe to see more. Thanks. See ya.